stop by to check the spot. Yeah. And we
I got my camera. This is not charged. Good morning, folks. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, hold on. Let me clean the screen.
Yeah.
Let me clean the screen.
Watch for these cars.
Yes.
You gotta buy the word these cars.
Good morning, y'all.
Morning.
YouTube, we back at what I tell you, the official link up spot, Buc-ee's. Hey, you know what that mean, right? What that mean?
It's good breakfast, gas, and let's go.
Let's go. That mean we about to get it, y'all. We just going down the road today to
Shreveport.
Shreveport. That's what we going. Shreveport. We
About
going
4 hours from this spot right here. One gas stop.
one. You know
So pay attention.
I'm trying. We are all layered up because it was a little chilly this morning when we got ready to leave the house, but the sun is out. We about to see.
Texas about to do what Texas do. We're gonna layer up, get hot, pull it off, get cold.
But for right now, we about to go in here, get us some food, because the folks is waiting on us. We're gonna eat and get it. So y'all stay tuned.
Next gas stop.
Peace. Oh, we charging. Yeah, buddy.
Hey, that check coming to you too? Oh yeah.
Even if they don't.
Hey, right time. Hey, that motherfucker won't. Your windows.
Hey,
your windows.
come back over and do this brief down real quick. I'm gonna give y'all the. All right, we got all the safety shit. I think I got everything we would need. For those of y'all who don't have it, I got it.
All right, y'all. So we on this road. This damn GoPro was not working. So, but we going down 35, and y'all, when I tell y'all this truck was doing this, I probably got sand. You probably see sand all in my face, cause I was eating it back there, eating it. But I don't know how much footage I'm gonna have for y'all because this damn GoPro did not charge last night. So get as much as I can, cause I love for you guys to come along with us. But today might not be that case. We gonna see. But our end destination is Shreveport. We going for the boots and the jeans. And let me show y'all who we got with us. Got a few. But we outside, y'all. We outside. Alrighty, folks, impromptu gas stop, okay? We picked up a rider along the way. I sure hope I got that footage of him getting on the road, because if y'all could have seen him, I hope y'all saw him getting on, because baby, he will get in it. He said it's time to get it. But we're gonna drink this Celsius, open my eyes back up, and we're gonna get back on this road, y'all. We almost there. All right, stay tuned. Y'all, we made it to the nighttime event. Real quick, before I get copyrighted, let me show y'all what we got going on here, okay?
I'm going the way it say it's faster to get home.
We say 79 faster. 79 take you shit to Huddle.
Oh.
Would it take you the back way to 30?
Stop by the chicken spot.
I just don't understand how you need gas.
Hey.
It's probably because that bitch is baffled, yo. I don't have no baffle on that.
We stopped, he ain't putting nothing in there.
Yeah, because your shit.
Mom's
Listen.
going 130.
I used to have the CBR 600. Everybody hated me. And guess what? On this ride yesterday, oh, I was hating him. I was like, oh my God. Yes! I was like,
That motherfucker needle say eat.
wait, hit your bike and see how many miles it say. How many miles can you go?
You should at least get his light is on.
Yeah, light not on.
No, my light not on.
Oh, okay. Well, then you good.
You got about 30 miles.
Everybody.
You got 45 miles.
45 miles.
We got 45 miles.
Oh yeah, you good to make it wherever gas station we go to.
This nigga has no gas.
Just let me know when it is.
got what?
No gas. I'm like almost on full.
He said that shit overrated, man.
I'm so
He
confused.
said you
I got
don't
a
need it
real
till you
seat
need
on my
it.
bike.
Well, goddamn it, you need it.
Goddamn, for real. Ain't no one ever worried about till you need it, goddamn.
Yeah, he kind of black still.
What up, F&I is? Sunday morning, about to hit this ground to the house. But first, we gotta stop at Southern Classic Chicken.
All right, sorry. GoPro went out. It's been tripping all weekend, y'all. That's why I don't got as much footage as I like to have. But anyways, what?
With the chop tour pack too?
Yeah, I got
She broke that shit.
It ain't broke. It just
You
needs.
basically like me?
It just needs some minor adjustments.
Spread it out. Need to borrow my little tool set.
Yours like mine, huh?
Y'all see how they doing me? I lost a pair of shades coming down here.
Down the highway.
You should go back and get it?
Oh.
Oh, you did like me.
To my that's why y'all said shit. Wish a nigga would doing 85, 90.
Hey, coming down here, y'all, my tour pack wanted to pop open, and a pair of my I got like 8 pair, but one pair wanted to pop out and go flying coming down here. But that's okay. I always got more. But like he was saying, if you know, you know. And I found out about this Southern chicken, so we about to get ready to run over there real quick, get us some chicken to take it home, get some gas and hit this road. But boots and jeans, oh hey, I didn't even know he was back there. Boots and jeans, Rare Breed, Louisiana, we came, we saw, and a time was had.
Yes, indeed. Now let's go get this chicken.
All right, y'all, peace.
Hit that right, fool.
Hey, D, it's out of system.
I was like, you know what?
Y'all, we came to find out about this chicken again. We getting some to go. If you know, you know. In Shreveport, I don't even know what the name. Oh, Southern Chicken. That's the name of it. Southern Chicken. Let's go.
Give me some gas too.
Well, we gotta get gas anyway, right? Nobody did.
Hey, but here's my thing. I just don't know how he didn't have no gas.
He didn't get out the last stop.
Yeah.
To me, that shit is just fucking carnal. When you get to a gas station, you put gas in it.
Tell the people.
Put gas in
Tell
the
the
tank.
people. You do not stop at a gas station and not get gas when you own these hogs back here. You gotta get gas. You got to. All right, y'all, we about to find out about this chicken. Listen, he couldn't have got gas at the last 2 gas stations to only have 45 miles still empty. I'm just saying.
I'm 3/4 tank. I'm in front.
Me too.
And
Yes, me too.
we running 90.
And I got gas going in this month.
That's what I'm saying.
That part right there. All right, y'all, let's go find out about this chicken. There we go, right there. Southern Classic. Oh, so you come up here, you gotta drive through, or you gotta walk up, okay? So the other day when they came, they said this shit was wrapped around the cars, the people, everything. But we got here at a good time before the Sunday church folks came, y'all.
We got no apple pies on the gun line, boss.
Oh, man.
We came for the apple pie.
That part. Oops, see?
He's like, I didn't want to stop anyway.
We started some shit. They got something.
Oh.
Oh.
It's about to be a problem up in here. Y'all better tell me what else I gonna cook them.
Yeah, I had my do-rag on too tight.
Listen, black folks, we came for what we want, y'all. We came for what we want.
Southern classic chicken.
What we get?
We got that 12-piece mix, because you know we've been on that dark meat every time we came, but I need, you know, some breasts.
You a breast man?
Not really, but I need it while I'm eating. You know what I'm saying? She likes the wings, so bam, you know, 2 for 1. I'm finna really grab one of these and tear one of them up right now. I'm just gonna let you know that. And, oh, hold on. We got them apple pies too.
Okay.
We got them apple pies too.
Yes, we can go get on the highway.
I ain't had them before, but I seen the crust that leaves around folks' mouths when they be having them. I want that crust.
I know. All right, y'all. Damn, that was quick.
You got mixed.
That was quick.
She like wings, I like crust.
How you make black folks happy? Give them some chicken.
Hey, and it's like, what, 10:45 in the morning, so you know it's that fresh.
Yes.
Like, this box is hot.
Okay. Hey, you about to make all these folks happy
Hold
right
on.
now.
So, what you about to get you, though?
He said, you ain't got no chicken.
Yeah, that's what I said. What you about to get you?
You don't have chicken pie.
You didn't order you none?
What? Whatever.
Joe Bikers
It's going down. It's going down. We getting our chicken. We about to get gas, and then we about to, you know what? Get it. All right, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Peace.
Wait till I get to this house. I'm gonna fuck this chicken up.
Man. All right, y'all. We got our chicken. I probably got some chicken grease on my lips here, but we got our chicken. We about to ride. Let's get it. y'all. We was getting it. But then, of course, you know, we had to make a gas stop. So, we have made our, I mean, of course, we filled up before we left. We had someone have to learn. Every time you stop at a gas station, you gotta get gas, okay? Especially when you're going yonder. Because guess what? Sometimes you don't know where the next gas station is gonna come up at. So, anyways, we are at the gas stop. Someone might be coming over here to join me. I don't know. Can't see you back there.
Can't hear you.
So anyways, we at the gas stop. We done gassed up. We done got our Celsiuses in us. We drinking them. And we getting there. Ooh.
We ain't got much battery for y'all folks, man. So we might not have the outro. What is it?
Outro, exit, whatever. End of the video, it's something. We gonna have it for you. Don't listen to him. I got it.
Hey, you just gonna see bikes right on the highway and the video going in.
But I'm gonna give you what I got. Excuse me. I'm gonna do my best to make sure y'all can see it when we out here getting it, okay? But that's what we about to do. We about to get it back to the house, y'all. All right, stay tuned. Peace.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
My mic was muted, sorry, but yes, I can.
Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me appetite. Don't leave me here.